Hi guys, welcome to my channel EKK Wines, and I am Elra D'Souza, and we are basically going to show you all vlogs on travels and haunted vlogs too. And today I'm going to do the challenge of Bloody Mary. I'm going to clear the myth of you guys that Bloody Mary is real. It's actually fake. I have done it many times before when I was not shooting but with my family friends. We have tried it many a times, but it's never come friends. So today I thought to put it on YouTube. So I'm shooting this and I'm going to put it soon. And even my teammate, that is Kunal Mahato from EKK Wines, is going to call on haunted numbers. It's like we call on haunted numbers, the ghost picks up and talks. And it says that the people say that ghost doesn't leave you till she is not or he is not okay with it. So basically today I'm going to do is Bloody Mary challenge. First time I'll be doing it with the lights, and then second time without the light, and third time without the candle with the candle. So I'll show you all the time on my watch. The time is about 12:25, and here it is my phone. Here 12:20. You all can see here 7th May 12:20. So I'm going to do it first. Bloody Mary, if you're here, please appear. Bloody Mary, if you're here, please appear. Bloody Mary, if you're here, please appear. So guys, I have showed you all this for 3 times with the light. The light is on, and you can see no reply. Like I can't see any Bloody Mary. So now I'll try it without the light. I will show it without the light. So guys, I have closed the lights, and this is just my torch light. It's my flash. I just kept it on to tell you that yeah, I'm here only. I'm not gone. So see it front. So I'll close the torch now. Yeah, give me a second. Yeah. So Bloody Mary, if you're here, please appear. Bloody Mary, if you're here, please appear. Bloody Mary, if you're here, please appear. So as you all can see, there's nothing. It's only me. You all can't see anything behind me. So it didn't even work without the light. So now the third time I'm going to try it with a candle. So I'll burn the candle and I'll get back with you. So guys, I'm here back and I have brought my candle this time. So this is with only the candle. I will tell you if I feel anything. But yeah, I'm getting some negative vibes, like I'm not feeling good. Still I'll try it. Bloody Mary, if you're here, please appear. Bloody Mary, if you're here, please appear. Bloody Mary, if you're here, please appear. So guys, you all can see there's nothing, literally nothing beside me. Oh, the candle wax. So yeah, Liban. So guys, as you all can see, I have done it all 3 times. I've tried all the 3 possible ways of calling Bloody Mary, and I burnt my finger here. Like I have just the candle wax is on my finger. If you all can see over here, focus. Yeah, this white portion here. So as you all saw, Bloody Mary challenge is literally no use, none of anything. Bloody Mary doesn't appear. I was a bit scared before, but when I started I didn't feel anything. I would recommend you all that try this at your home when you want to prank your friends, as most of the YouTubers have done. They have done it fake. Sometime I saw one when I was like small. That time he put it and he pranked on his friend about he himself dying. He killed himself inside. Like he didn't kill. He just put fake blood and all on his body and he showed. So hope so you like the video. Please do like and subscribe it. Give a thumbs up. Thank you.